remind me of the simple. In this lifetime, we should disco. Oh, you remind me of the simple.
It's about me and you. Oh, it takes two. It can just be me and you.
Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome to my first ever vlog, no? So mag-vlogger era na sa this time we're heading to Katiklan to celebrate our birthday. And right now, I'm traveling with
Hi!
asa to pa dong?
Boracay.
Boracay, yeah, baby. And right now, napunta sa airport. As you can see, time is 6:15 and our flight is 7 p.m. So, ato sa among gate. Here's our gate. 26A. Okay. We'll see you back on Boracay. So, yeah, kita kits. Boom! What's going on? We are here in Boracay. It's 9:30 in the evening and naabot na jud down for pila ka oras biniyahe. Yeah, just a quick room tour. So here's the wardrobe area, and then on the right side you'll have the toilet, the shower. So it's pretty decent actually. And we have the sink here. Boom. Flex gamay. Okay. And yeah, that's basically day one. That's our day one, no? For it's composed of traveling. And ako, si Christine is na-jute. Na-work. Mo-work pa na siya kay. Korta ka kay korta. So yeah, that's it. Plan for tomorrow for day 2 is in the morning kay magkuan lang.
Sunrise.
Magunsa?
Sunrise.
So that's the plan tomorrow, Bulabog Beach, which is to witness the sunrise. And hopefully nindot ra ang panahon ugma. And then we'll just stroll around the beach sa Station 1 because we're here in Station 1 naman sad. And probably mo naman siguro, no? Wala pa matay activities, 'di ba? It's more of a kuan ra niya mong laag kung unsay naa di ato nga tuon, and it's not really that planned. So yeah, we'll see. And also for dito as well, we will try the trending cafes. So mga TikTok, mga aesthetic ba. So we will try that one. But for now, we will rest and Christine will work. Kasi yaman ako sugar mommy. And yeah, that's it. And again, we'll rest for now. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Yo, good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, just news, no? We just missed the sunrise because lamig ibigtog kanina. And right now, we're just having our breakfast para mo start sa mong day 2. For the plan for today is just to walk around the beach area and see if na may mga namimagitan or mga avail ng mga activities for tomorrow and the rest of the stay here sa Boracay. Yo, so food is here. I'm having lumpia and garlic rice. She's having beef tapa. And picturean sa nadaan para ana man na. Here's our water.
Let's eat, guys.
And that?
Let's eat.
So we'll just eat our breakfast and then we'll walk around outside. Boom.
Oh, nag-drip.
So, yo, so we're back here. We're still on the shore sa White Beach sa Station 1. And ano to, Bob? Ano sa'yo mong nakitaan?
Nay, nag-drip.
Saan? Kato? Wala lang yung makita niyo.
Bot na tayo.
Taro ta. So, so mo not sure if makita niyo sa next camera pero it's so clear despite sa mga lumot-lumot, pero kaning area is wala kayo siya lumot compared dito. So diring area dili kayo siya lumot mo, daghan kayo nangaligo. Here you have the valley, beach volleyball dito unahan. So yeah, that's it. And you have the grotto here. Ana siya mo ni siya ang grotto. Ana sila mo taob pa din siya taob sa kapat ng tubig niya. So almost matabunan siya. Taob tayo. Saan? Hindi kita. Yeah, so yeah. That's it.
me until 5 and we will go back to station 1 to take
Asa
some
di tarot?
sunset pictures. Nandito nga sa station 2 here
So we are in D Mall.
D Mall, and there are a lot of stores, food, but we don't have money. So let's just libot-libot station 2.
Ito D Mall, sulod sa D Mall.
D Mall naman ni Day.
Ito sulod ba dun?
So we're entering D Mall station 2. Dili, ganahan ko pa.
Ito rin gana.
Ganahan ko fries.
Ano ito tag fries din? You want to explore the area?
We're looking for some fries, but wala kaming makita pa.
Manginasal. Can't go wrong with a manginasal. Ito ka na pagkaunan dira. Mura na ng isla na mall. Kaya ako yung isla na may mall. We have the Ferris wheel. Ferris.
Bruh.
We have some mini Ferris wheel. Inside the mall. Inside the mall.
I'm craving for...
Ito gitawag kaon gamay.
Bruh.
No, kaon gamay.
Oh, magkabot.
Kaon lang kagamay dito kakaon. So maglakaw-lakaw lang sa meron si kung saan ako makita. Then we'll let you guys know. As you can see sa video, I don't know if makita niyo pero there's also a lot of paraw sa mga nag-avail of paraw sailing. Okay, dito tayo siya for sunset. There's also a yacht there but hindi makita, pero that's a yacht, and then kani mga paraw nila going for a sunset sailing, and I think pabalik na sila. Just to give you guys an idea of how bad the lumot is here. Check it out. So that's how bad the lumot is during this season, during summer. Pero naman sa mga ligo po. It's still swimmable naman. And if maglakaw-lakaw ra ako sa dagat with the lumot, di mo ma-feel ang lumot, so pwede na dyan ka maligo. And then diri ra sa siya diri ra sa lumot, diri ra sa dool ang nailumot, pero dito na sa lawom wala na lumot. So as you can see, na ay mga nangaligo dito sa unahan. Here sa naatay mga nagduwa-duwa diri, may picture. So yeah, di na sa amin maligo today kay yupak. Ugma na lang, ugma may maligo. Either ugma or Sunday. Karon niya picture day lang sa. So yeah, that's it. So finally the sunset is here. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Kasi mura to siya mong gihuwat. I would say dili siya sa personal. So,
Day, murag nindot dito day mo picture ko day dito.
asan?
Dila, maato ko dito eh.
Tunga sa dagat.
Oh?
Hindi dugo mo ka.
Dila man na. Dila man na. Lalong.
Sige, picturean sa nato. Yo, good morning. Morning everyone. Bago lang min ako mag-prepare and we are on our way for our DIY land tour for today. And late mi nakamata mga 10 na. So we're just preparing. And then also yesterday nipalit mi og kuan hop on hop off cards, which is this. Basically this is for the bus. So since DIY raman, so magbus rami kay I inquired for a motorcycle rental yesterday and mahal kayo. It costs 1.5 for 24 hours. So I said, hell nah. Hell no.
Hell no, man.
So
What the
instead,
fuck, man?
okay, pobre raman ta, so mag DIY land tour rami sa mga buses. So basically mo rin imong gamiton, so inigsakay nimo sa bus, scan rin ni sa conductor and then you're good to go. It's also valid for depende sa imong paliton, pero kani it's good for 24 hours rin na mo siya gibay since one day ram sad mi mag-land tour. And then no need na ka mo plate sa bus kaya unlimited naman. Basta as long as within 24 hours ra gid siya, no. So mo na siya. They also give you a map. So here's the map. So hatagan kanilang mapa kung asa unsay ruta sa bus, asa ang bus stop dapit, asa ka dapat mag-wait. And then according ni ate sa mga palitan kay ano ra daw siya ang waiting time sa bus kay sa mga bus stop kay 10 to 15 minutes, pero 15 minutes is maximum na siya. Pinakadugay 15 minutes. So we'll see later na. Pero for today the plan is just do DIY land tour. We're so ready and Christine's preparing na po. Lubot yung ako. So, ayun. Makita. Tanan. So, that's it. We're on our way and then we'll see you guys in a moment. Peace!
What you wanna do, girl, I'm here for you. If you wanna talk, I'm all ears for you. Yeah, the silence in between, let us sing you. Looking forward to the day I buy a whole last diamond ring for you. Girl, you know we seen things together. Both go together. Yeah, we healed our past traumas, cause we wanted to be better for each other. Better, off as lovers. Better.
Yo, what's good guys? So we have wrapped up our land tour and we're now here in Sunnyside Cafe eating our snacks. And yeah, dito naman ang land tour is very smooth thanks to hop on hop off bus. And look at our view here. Look at that. Diba? Chada kayo. Chada kayo view. And we already ordered our food. I'm having toast, French toast. Then, so you order ba?
Bacon and egg.
Bacon and egg. So yeah, that's it. It's on the pricier side for this cafe pero social climber man kaso.
Bruh.
Gara-garaon man kaso aton so ayan aesthetic pa.
Bruh.
Pero yeah, we just went here kay tungod sa view and then it's sponsored. Goal ra sa mga accommodation. Ano sa man imong review sa tong landlord?
Bitin. Bakal picture.
Daghan
Daghan.
gani. Gamay ra sa picture. Pero daghan din. Pero that's it. We'll eat our snacks here. Say gutom sa we'll probably have dinner as well sa Station 2 Dimol kay mas daghan dito pagkaon. Well, that's it. See you guys later. So, quick story time. While I was chilling sa akong room and while scrolling sa akong Instagram, no, I bumped with my cousin's Instagram story. And then found out nga nasa di siya diri sa Boracay. And then I told him nga kamusta ra siya diri sa Boracay. And then ana siya nga kontra daw siya. Gahapon daw sila nagland diri sa Boracay together with his friends. So, yeah, that's crazy. Crazy story. So, I told him let's catch up and then let's meet somewhere and then just chill. So yeah, I'm on my way there to meet up with him and then chill with him probably and then have a yap session. So yeah, that's the plan for today and then we'll see after that on sa among trip. But yeah, that's the plan and then I'm on my way there as I said. And that's it. See ya. Uy!
Bruh.
Gano'n di ka, Dek? Hi, vlog. Ano, lahos ba ko dito?
Bruh.
Nare.
Wala man yan ang lakon din siya. Lakon
Roll ra dire inyo, Dek. Mga pila ka minutes lang po.
10. 5.
Mamaya kung may problema sa taas, gusto nyo bumaba, ikot mo na yung kamay sa gilid nito. Okay? Pwede bumitaw dyan, pwede bumitaw.
Pwede na? Okay. Yes, sir! What's up? Ikaw, garo po. At ako yung uyog, ha? Ano ba? Tanaw-tanaw sa bus.
Wala din na starlight.
Asa mo? Gi, bangga. Asa mo starlight?
Padung asa na siya dapat. Uy! Padung siya dito, babe.
Ako yung uyog.
Ayaw ba?
Di sabi, nakita kong lubot na. Ano ni short? Abnormal ba ni? So that's our view.
Mama!
Ayaw na kayo sila. Uy, murag taas-taas na yun yun. Ayaw na yan. Huhuy! Taas na kayo siya. Okay, pabalik na may. Joel na si Kuya. Taas kayo sila oh. Kita na yung lubot. Okay, ibira na may. Suha na may. Dito to gabi eh.
Paala naman ka.
Kulang na, kulang. Tama, ayos lang. your review sa Boracay trip?
Silent review.
Silent review. Rate out of 10. Why 8? 8 why 4?
Gamay lang. Gamay lang. Yeah.
Yes, very not for broke people like us. Pero if like first time for experience naman, I highly recommend Boracay. Because again, there are activities here that you can only do here in Boracay. Pero still, it's a good experience. The beaches are crazy good. And
Powder.
yeah, the cafes and the sand as well. It's very Pino. It's very white. So, yeah, Boracay is one of a kind. And the Parao sailing experience is 100% good. And Kuyas here are very friendly as well. Yeah, top tier experience. So see you guys in the next trip. Bye.